So friends, before going to the lab session, we'll learn what is Ansible Vault. Okay, so friends, Ansible Vault is a one security features of Ansible through which you can encrypt your Ansible playbook. Okay, so that nobody can read. Okay, it will be encrypted. Okay, suppose why it is required. Suppose in YML your playbook contains some password, some SSL certificate, or some kind of sensitive data. Okay, you want to keep secret safe. Okay, so if you want to, nobody want to know because it's a password, right? If anybody will see your password or SSL certificates, okay, so it's not, it is a security threat only. Okay, so in that case we need to, we can encrypt our playbook. Okay, so if you want to, if that user want to decrypt the data, he has to provide that password. Okay, so how will, how we can achieve that, I will show you in the lab sessions. Okay, so first, we'll do, how we can create a playbook file with a encrypted. Okay, so create an encrypted file. So simply I will use Ansible Vault, create that file name. Okay, so I'll go to the, I have already logged into my Ansible servers. So here in this case, what I will do, so I will create a Ansible playbook with an encrypted format. So I will use Ansible Vault, Ansible Vault create. Okay, Ansible Vault create. Then suppose test vault. Okay, test vault dot yml. Okay, okay, so now see, now it is asking my no, to set the password. Okay, I will set, suppose admin 123, admin 123. Okay, now it's done. Now it is allow me to, you know so I will give some entry, like, I will copy the all the, suppose my playbook kind of things. So I paste it. Okay, escape wt. Okay, so now done. Okay, so if I want to show this, suppose I created test vault.yml. Okay, so if I'll give cat, so now see, so it is in encrypted format only. Okay, all the data which is in encrypted format only. Okay, so you cannot read. Okay, so now if you want to read, okay, suppose if you want to read, so second, first we did how to, we learn Ansible hyphen vault create file name for the new. Okay, then if you want to decrypt that, if you want to edit something on the file, so you have to give Ansible hyphen vault edit, then the file name. Okay, so now we'll go to the edit part. Okay, so here edit. Okay, edit. So now it will ask the password, vault password, admin 123. See, now it is opened, now it is decrypted. Okay, so I did some modification, then I will save it. Okay, okay, so now if I want to show again cat test world.yml, again it is in encrypted format. Okay, so third thing, we will know view encrypted file, how we can view only. Okay, so I do not want to, edit, but I want to view the file. Okay, so if I want to view, then I have to give Ansible vault, then view. See, okay, sorry, one second, Ansible view VIEW. Okay, then I have, it is asking the vault password. See, now I am able to view. Okay, so now rekey, the fourth lab is rekey vault password. Okay, suppose I want to change the vault password, so how we can do? So we need to rekey the vault password. So Ansible vault rekey, then the file name. Okay, suppose sometimes we need to change the password of that vault. Okay, so how we can change? So we need to give Ansible hyphen vault rekey. Okay, so I'll go instead of view Ricky. Okay, okay, so it is asking the vault password, that means the current password. We need to provide the current password. Admin 123, then new, it is asking the new vault password. Suppose I will give something, admin 1234. Okay, then again it is confirming new password, admin 1234. Okay, now Ricky successful, means we reset the password. Okay, so if I'll give get test vault yml, so it is encrypted format only. So if I want to view that, so I need to give the new password. Okay, so admin 1234. Okay, so now it is opening. Okay, so now we learned that how to create an encrypted file, how to edit a encrypted file, how to view, how to reset the password. Now suppose you have a file, then fourth is, fifth is now existing. Suppose you have existing, you have existing file, okay, which is not in encrypted. If you want to encrypt it, okay, how you can do? Okay, so suppose I have one file called yml, called, this is postfix package installation yml. Okay, this is not encrypted. Okay, so I want to encrypt my existing existing file. So in that case I have to give Ansible vault, then encrypt. Okay, then the existing file name, this is my yml code, right? Ansible vault encrypt this yml, then just okay, it is asking my asking the password. To set the password, admin 1234, admin 1234. Okay, so now encryption successful. So if I'll give again cat, so it is encrypted only. Okay, so it's done. Okay, so now if I want to decrypt again, so for decryption, Ansible vault decrypt file. Suppose I do not want to encrypt that, I do not want to know more that encryption needed. So in that case what I will do, so if I'll give cat, so it is encrypted, right? So I want to decrypt that file, I do not want to encrypt no more. So in that case what I have to do, in case of encrypt, so I have to give the decrypt. Okay, decrypt. So it is asking the existing password. Suppose admin 1234, decryption successful. So if I'll give cat, so now I am able to, so it is decrypted. Okay, so after that okay, done. So now we learn encrypting specific variable. Suppose I do not want to encrypt whole playbook. Okay, so I can encrypt also some variable. Okay, some specific variable. Suppose on password only, I do not want to encrypt the whole playbook, whole script. I want to encrypt some specific person. So in that case you have to give the Ansible vault encrypt underscore string, then the string name, okay, hyphen name, the variable name you have to give. Okay, for the decrypt also, so decrypt we encrypt a file during runtime. Suppose so you learn, right? You know that for how to encrypt some specific variable, Ansible hyphen vault encrypt underscore string, then the string name you have to give, hyphen name, then the variable name. Okay, then decrypting encrypted file during runtime. Okay, so during the, suppose you want to run the playbook. Okay, you want to run the playbook, so that time suppose okay, so okay, I want to run the playbook which is encrypted. Okay, so let's see what it is. Suppose I want to run a playbook which is encrypted. So currently what we did, so which is this okay, test vault.yml, which is in encrypted format, right? So okay, this is encrypted one, so I want to run, so Ansible hyphen playbook. Okay, playbook, then I need to give the playbook name. Okay, Okay, now it is saying that attempting to decrypt but no vault secret found. Though this this playbook is encrypted format, so before running we need to decrypt it. So we need to pass a parameter called hyphen hyphen ask hyphen vault pass. Okay, so we need to copy that parameter. We need to pass this parameter so that it will pass the, so now it is asking the password. So if once I will give the password, then it will start running. Okay, so suppose I will give admin 1 2 3 4. See, now it will start executing. Okay, so I interrupted, I control Z and I interrupted. So in this case, if any Ansible playbook which is in encrypted format, so you want to run that, so you need to pass that parameter hyphen hyphen ask hyphen vault pass. Okay, so now multiple vault password, so you can inside a playbook, you can for each variable you can set multiple password also. Okay, so that means you can Ansible 2.4, so these features available from Ansible 2.4 or later concern multiple vault that encrypted with different password. Different vault can given a level of distinguished name. Okay, so you can set different password for different variable also. Okay, so guys, hope enjoy the session. It is I think it is very much useful. So stay tuned for next videos. Thank you very much.